Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's crochet tutorial will be for this tulip applique. Very beginner friendly, very easy to make. So for this pattern you will need a 5mm crochet hook, scissors, acrylic yarn is what I'm using. You use cotton or acrylic. 4 medium weight yarn is best. And then you'll need felt if you want to use it for backing. And then to assemble everything, put the felt on, to put all the pieces together, you will need hot glue gun and glue sticks. We're going to start off by making the petals. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use pink yarn, and you're going to make 3 of these petals. So you'll take your yarn and your 5mm crochet hook, make a slip knot, and chain 8. In the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet. Make a single crochet in the next chain. Make a half double crochet in the next 2 chains. So yarn over, pull loop through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook, and the same thing in the next stitch. Make a double crochet in the next 2 stitches, so yarn over, pull loop through, pull through the first 2, then pull through the second 2, same thing in the next one. And then in this last chain, you'll make 5 triple crochets, so yarn over 2 times, pull loop through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, then the second 2, and then the last 2. And you'll repeat that 5 times. So you want to keep going in that same chain, that same last chain. And as I go, I just kind of tuck the tail in as I go. All right, so that's the 5th triple crochet. And now you're going to be working down the other side of the chain. She'll make 2 double crochet. So a double crochet in the next chain, a double crochet in the next, and then make 2 half double crochet. And then 2 single crochet. And I'll just keep tucking that tail in until the very end. And then yarn over, make a knot, cut the tail, and weave the ends through. Okay, and you'll want to repeat that exact same thing 2 more times. She'll make a total of 3 petals. Okay, and now we'll make the leaves on the side. You'll want to make 2 of them. So here's the first one. So you will want to take your green, make a slip knot, and chain 12. Okay, and then you're going to make 4 single crochet. So you'll single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then you're going to half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So you have 4 single crochet and then 4 half double crochet. I'm going to tuck the tail in here, 2. And then you should be left with 3 chains left, you'll double crochet in those last 3. Make a knot, finish that, and then weave that in. And like I said, you want to make 2 of them. So you have 2 leaves just like this, kind of like long, skinny leaves. Okay, so next up you'll want to make the stem. So this long stem here. So for the stem, you will chain 25. And then very simple, all you'll do is single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then single crochet going all the way down the rest of the chain, and you will end up with 24 single crochet total until you end up with a stem just like this. So you'll cut the tails, weave the ends, and you'll end up with the stem just like that. Now we will work on assembling all the pieces. So start off with your stem, and you're going to glue it onto your felt, just straight up and down. And next you'll work your way to the petals. So I just kind of like to place them out first, just so I can kind of get an idea of what they're going to look like. So we'll do this guy in the center. Really want to overlap them. Let's try to get that as much in the center as possible, and then really glue down the sides here. Okay, and then might want to go through and glue some of these pieces down a little bit more, and then you'll take your leaves and just glue them. Probably gonna do mine staggered like that. And I like to just you know, curve them a little bit. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now, the only other thing you have left to do is take your scissors and you're just going to cut all along until you can't see the felt anymore from the front side. So eventually it'll just look like this on the back. And then you can either keep it as just like a single tulip to put on a bag or whatever, or you can make your own little bouquet and kind of make a bunch of them, put it on a bag. Or you could maybe put some string or a tack on the back, and you can use this as a decoration on your desk, on the wall. I mean, there's just so many possibilities here. You could put it on the back of a denim jacket, or make a pillow and then have these on the front of the pillow. There's tons of things you can do with applique. If you think of any other ideas or you use it in a unique way, let me know in the comments, tag me on Instagram. Make sure to like and subscribe. You can head to crochetbycolleen.com to get more details on this pattern. Thank you so much for watching.